I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop on the Galaxy Z Flip 8. So how to turn it on and also how to send and receive files. So first thing you want to do is go to settings on your Galaxy Z Flip 8, then go to connected devices, then quick share, and then two things. Make sure share with Apple devices is enabled, and also ensure that who can share with you is set to everyone for 10 minutes. That's all. Now, once you do that, then now you can go to your iPhone. You can actually receive files from an iPhone. So for instance, I can come here to my gallery, pick any video or photo, and then go to the AirDrop settings, and I should see my Z Flip 8 as among the AirDrop devices. Tap on that and then accept on the phone, and that's airdropped. Okay, simple as that. Now, if I want to do it the other way around, I can go into my gallery, find this selfie I took with my Galaxy Z Flip 8, go to the share menu, select quick share, and then since I have share with Apple devices enabled, I should see my iPhone pop up here. So it's currently only showing S26 and Z Fold 8. Let me make sure that I can receive files. So on my Apple device or iPhone, AirDrop, make sure it's also set to everyone for 10 minutes. And then it should appear among devices. And I'll go there and select that. And then on the iPhone, I can accept. And the file comes to my phone. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.